Please remember to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and leave a comment so you don't miss out on money-saving tips and ultimately achieving financial freedom with the concepts presented in these videos that are priceless. In this quick video, I'm going to be solving this WordPress problem that I'm experiencing. It's not really a problem, but I don't like having this little warning message come up where it says current memory limit 40 megabytes MB. We recommend setting memory to at least 128 MB, meaning 128 megabytes. So this is a pretty easy fix. Open up your cPanel and go into File Manager. Each person may have a different way to access cPanel, so I'm not going to show that here. Mine is open. And next, inside File Manager, click on public HTML. Public_HTML. So you go to the root of that and find wp-config.php. And up here you click edit. Then you click edit again. In here, click on the search icon and type in this exactly. Look at it on my blog post where I'm showing the exact text to type. If you can't find it, just look for define, keep searching next until you find this one, and then replace it with this text. So you're going to highlight the current text, copy in what I have on my blog post, and paste this exactly. You may choose to change this number over here to something like 256 if you don't want to set it to something high like 512. And after that, hit save. It says it's saved. Let's go back to the WordPress WP admin, and we're going to just refresh that site. And that message is now gone and taken care of. This was a quick video. I hope you found it useful. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and ring that notification bell. See you in the next one. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. We hope you found it useful, and hopefully it solved a problem you were facing. Remember that you will find step-by-step information on our blog pages on every topic covered by each video, and our products page showcases each item we have discussed to date. You can find us at squareq.com. Now we will quickly tell you why it benefits you to subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell, and leave a comment. Simply put, we believe we will get wealthy together by saving money and making far better decisions. We always try to skip the fluff and get to the point so we don't waste anyone's time. As you can see, a massive amount of time and effort goes into each video. The videos are good, the content is priceless. As we grow, we will always give back to our subscriber base. We hope you act now and subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a comment. Because if you are not able to take action, then this opportunity will simply pass you by. Good day.